The market is a big thing. How on earth could we approach it without feeling out of control or like we're running around with our hair on fire, looking at charts, looking at statistics, looking at different secondary indicators, and trying to figure out what on earth to do with all of this? We want to show you how you can approach the market in a way that makes you feel like you actually have control over it, which in and of itself will give you an advantage over a great number of other traders. The first point in being able to approach the stock market under control is simply understanding the market in the first place. Now, this can come in the form of an education that will help you define terms, know what you're even looking at when you open up your first stock chart, and how to navigate all of the various verbiage, terminology, and the movement of the market itself. You have to understand what the market is, or you're not going to be able to actually get a grip and control yourself in the midst of it. But secondly, you also need to have a system. It's not enough just to understand what the market is and how it works generally. You want to be able to actually have some control in the form of a system itself, something that can be duplicated across varying market conditions and that keeps your emotions in check. Without the checks and balances of a system, your emotions can take over really quickly, and all of a sudden you will begin to lose control. So you need to understand how the market works, why it even exists, but you also need a system. Thirdly, you need to keep the long-term goals in view. You can't forget about them and get lost in the weeds of the day-to-day. One of the best ways to approach the market is to do so methodically. And one of the best ways to do that is by simply having a long-term vision for your family and how trading might accomplish that. This is going to keep you from falling into some unrealistic ideals, such as thinking about your stock patterns and the plays that you're going to actually execute as looking for all the home runs when you are missing what you might otherwise deem good, solid base hits all along the way. By keeping the long-term view in focus at all times, it will keep you from grasping for those unrealistic goals of only hitting the home runs, and it'll keep the focus on the base hits, which can actually start adding up and making a difference for your family. So, in order to remain in control as you approach the stock market, you need to know what the market is, why it exists, how it even works, of course. Secondly, though, you have to have a system. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to have control over yourself as your emotions begin to take over. Thirdly, you have to keep the long-term vision in view. Otherwise, you might find yourself kind of grappling around in the weeds of the day-to-day, forgetting what it's even all about in the first place. But fourthly, a way that you keep control over yourself as you approach the markets is by simply developing good habits. Perhaps the first good habit that you can form when it comes to approaching your trades is simply journaling them so that you can get back, take a look at the things that you did well, the things that you did poorly, learn from them, and avoid those mistakes in the future. You also need to cultivate a habit of prayer, specifically in the context of your trading and business in general. We know that we go to the Lord often and how important that is for our own spiritual growth and, of course, our communion with Him. But we have to remember He wants us going to Him for every single matter that plays a part in our lives. And of course, trading could very well be a big one for yourself. So create a habit of going to the Lord in prayer, asking Him to bless this specific trade before you put it on, to give you His wisdom, to give you His guidance, so that you don't make costly mistakes and that you feel a peace about the guidelines you are keeping moving forward. It'll keep you accountable and it'll keep you grounded to Him, most importantly. And then finally, always get back to the basics and create a habit of doing that. If you find yourself maybe with some success over the course of a great many trades in a row, but then you find yourself in a rut and you wonder what on earth happened, remember, go back to the basics and start using the exact same foundation you used in the first place to find that initial success, hypothetically speaking, so that then you can play off of that and get back into the game feeling confident as ever and keep the momentum going. You can acquire this system by checking out our 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge, which you can learn more about at TRADEway.com.